If you've been watching the Johor Bahru property market and specifically anywhere near the RTS, you're going to want to see this.
Hi, I'm Edmund, REN 77321, and today we're at the CTC Sky One showroom. Come, follow me inside.
First, let's talk about where we are, because location is everything. CTC Sky One sits right in the heart of Johor Bahru City Centre along Jalan Bukit Chagar. This is also known as the Golden Triangle area of JB City. Sky One is 300 meters from the RTS Bukit Chagar station, and that is the rapid transit system, i.e. the cross-border rail link that connects JB directly to Singapore's Woodlands North MRT. That's a 5-minute walk. When the RTS opens, you can literally walk to Singapore and back because you'll be on train. So no need to drive or queue at the causeway as usual. It's not just the RTS. Some notable places nearby include Sheraton JB, a 5-star hotel, and on the other side, SKS City Mall, up and coming, integrated retail and F&B right at the doorstep. A bit further out, you got Comta JBCC, City Square Mall, JB Central. Everything you need is already here, very convenient. So why CTC Sky One? Let me give you 5 reasons. First, it's freehold. Most projects along this corridor are leasehold. So for being in JB City Centre, this is uncommon. And being freehold means there's no expiry date on your ownership, plus historically, freehold properties appreciate better over time. Second, the unique concepts. Sky One offers dual key and triple key layouts. What that means is you have one property title, but the unit itself can function as 2 or 3 separate living spaces. You have the choice to live in one partition and rent out the other. More on the unit layouts later in the video. Third, the RTS yield. Once the RTS opens, demand for rental units within walking distance of the station is going to be more. From people in JB working in Singapore, vice versa. Just 300 meters from the station. Fourth, the address. Sheraton Hotel is next door, plus with the upcoming SKS Mall, the location is top tier. And fifth, for Singapore buyers specifically, the currency works in your favor. You're using Singapore dollars to buy or invest in Malaysian ringgits. And with 1 Singapore dollar to 3 Malaysian ringgit, you're basically investing in something that's just 1/3 the cost. For the same property, I bet you won't get that kind of pricing in Singapore. CTC Sky One is a non-Bumi title, which means it's open to all buyers including non-Malaysians and Singaporeans. No additional foreign ownership restrictions beyond the standard Malaysian minimum purchase price. The development sits on a 1.64 acre site, so that's roughly the size of a football field. It's a mixed development, residential units above, retail shops on the lower floors. One title, one address with full lifestyle vertical built-in. Tower height is up to 55 floors, and high floors face either the JB City skyline and Straits of Johor to the east, or the Causeway and Singapore side to the south. Total residential units, over 1,600 units across the tower, plus 22 retail lots at the base. As of the time of this video, around 60 to 65% of the units are estimated to have already been taken up. There's still time to lock in at a good price, but you need to act fast.
Okay, right now let's check out the unit layouts that are available, starting with...
This is a Type B layout, 1+1 room and 2 bathrooms, 506 square feet, dual key design concept. There's one common bathroom here, 1 bedroom, and followed by another one, so that could be a 1+1. Yeah? This one has its own dedicated bathroom. Next, we have a Type C 1+1 room and 2 bathroom at 549 square feet, dual key design concept. This is the common area, living room. Turn around, there's the master bedroom with its own bathroom. Okay. Here you have another one as well, another bedroom with its own as well. Next, we have the Type E, 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, 710 square feet, dual key design concept. Okay, so this brings you to the living hall. Here we've got bedroom, its own bathroom here as well. Another bedroom and another one. Okay, this one has its own integrated bathroom. This is a Type G. Let's check out a penthouse. 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. You even got your private lift. Triple key design concept. Right out, you got your own private lift. And you come out, immediately you see the living hall. Okay. That's probably where your TV is going to be. Okay, you have another lift here as well. Okay. Alright. This is where the kitchen is. Bedroom. Bathroom, mirror, let's go further in the other side. They got one more bedroom and another bedroom, so this one has its own integrated bathroom. Okay, let's actually go in and see.
Let's talk facilities. CTC Sky One facilities feature a unique 3-4 theme, which are sea, island, and mountain. The facilities level will be an immersive resort experience by integrating a multi-functional pool zone, a family-friendly activity zone, and landscape leisure areas for fitness, recreation, and social, allowing you to enjoy a holiday at home experience anytime you want, just downstairs. Booking fee starts from 2,000 Malaysian ringgit to secure your interest and slot. SPA signing is typically within a few months of booking. Loan options can be explored for both Malaysians and non-Malaysians, and as of the time of this video, this project is still in the pre-completion phase. That means you're buying at today's price, before the RTS is fully operational and before the surrounding corridor fully develops. So in short, now is one of the better entries.
Alright, so that concludes our tour at CTC Sky One today. If you're interested or you want to arrange for viewing, my contact details are below. My name is Edmund, REN77321, and I look forward to see you in person.